And then the other part, so we got the touring V5 floorboards. Welcome to Barricade Rides, videos for motorcycle enthusiasts. We got a package today, and we got some letters. We got a letter from Nuka Karla and Revsanity. So I'm going to open these up, then we're going to open up the package, and then we're going to move forward with the package. So from Revsanity, we got this awesome sticker right here. This one as well. I like how he made Revsanity on 3 lines, and then he added a picture of him with his helmet. I consider myself pretty cool with him, but I don't know what his face looks like. It's kind of cool, mysterious. Then we're gonna open up the second one. So this one comes with a letter. Barricade Rides. Thanks for the swap. I enjoy your content. Keep up the good work. If you ever find yourself in Los Angeles, hit me up. We'll go for a ride. You stay safe out there. I'm in Wasteland. Nuka Karla. Very cool. Then included some of these stickers. I like that design. She's got some really cool stickers. So I gotta design a holographic. Alright, we got this package. I'm really excited to open it. I misplaced my knife, so I don't know where it is at this time, so I'm not gonna look for it. I just want to get this package open. So I haven't hinted to anybody what I got yet. So this is a surprise. All right. Flo Motorsports BMX style foot pegs. These are going to go on my passenger side. And then the other part came with, so we got the touring V5 floorboards from Flo Motorsports. And some levers. Super excited to get these in. So, pull these out real quick. They come with stickers. Very happy. So, that's the lever. It's got the Flo written right there, as well on the other side. What's cool about this, it moves forward. So it's kind of like they're adjustable levers. I used to have adjustable levers on my sports bike, so you could just twist it right here and then where you want it. So you got shorter fingers, you can bring it closer, longer fingers, but I've got 2 of them, one for each side. This is what I'm most excited about right here. Wow. So custom floorboards. It's got the Flo logos right here. Really cool. Come with some stickers as well. So they're about as long as the stock ones, but a little bit thinner. So the issues with my last floorboards, the ones I ordered off Amazon, so this part right here, where it attaches to the bike, is just like a small square. This one is longer, so it's got more, it's attached more sturdy to the actual floorboards themselves. So they definitely won't strip out on me like my last pair. And then we got these ones. So I originally thought I'd go with the wider ones, but these ones are much more cost effective, so I went with the V2, I believe. I'm not sure. I think they're the V2, so they're smaller. And what's cool is there's a bolt right here, and I can adjust this to so I can attach it to the bike however I need to. And this one as well comes with more stickers. So I got 3 of all those, so I'm pretty stoked on these. If I were to install everything on this video, the video would be very long. So I'm gonna bust this up into 3 parts. So the first part right now you just watched is an unboxing, and next video is going to be installing the floorboards, and then I'm going to do a video on the levers. So I don't want to take up too much of your guys' time, so I'm going to do it in 3 parts. But I'm excited, I just got something else in the mail. We got the Barricade Rides mascot. Got a Barricade transformer. So this is gonna look cool in the background. I'm gonna find a spot for it, so super stoked. And as always, brothers and sisters, stay safe and ride your ride.